Hi there, students. Vibe. A vibe, a countable noun. Vibe, uncountable noun. Very, very common vibes. So, the mood, the way a place feels, the ambience. So, this city has a very relaxed vibe. Okay. The vibe of the club was really, really good. It was really interesting. But the people there were a little bit boring. Okay, so the vibe, the mood of a place, the mood of the situation. What sort of vibes did you get from the meeting? It's how the place made you feel. So I got a really good vibe from the meeting. I got good vibes from the meeting. Okay, this comes from vibe comes from vibration. Yeah, a vibration is a continuous shaking movement of something. The earth vibrated because there was an earthquake. But we use this word vibes to talk about the feeling of the place. I got a really bad vibe from that hotel, as if something really bad had happened there. This guy is really strange. I don't like the vibes that he gives off. Yeah, he gives off really strange vibes. Okay, so the vibe, the emotional quality, the atmosphere, what you sense. It's almost like the psychic vibrations, the vibrations coming through the ether, the feeling of a place. So why don't we have a party with a 1920s vibe? Okay, flavor, feeling, yeah. So the vibe, the air, the aura, the atmosphere. So it's distinctive. It's very clear, but it's an intangible quality that surrounds a person or a place or a thing. So the house had a haunted vibe to it. It felt haunted. Yeah, there was some intangible quality that it felt haunted. I invited my girlfriend over, cooked a delicious meal, laid the table, and gave the whole house a romantic vibe with candles and no electricity. So the vibe, the aura, the way the place the way the place felt. So this is the vibe or the vibes. Okay, so you've got this. You don't see a vibe like that in other cities on a Saturday night. The place had an eerie vibe. The group of skinheads had a very military vibe. The whole holiday had a fun vibe to it, a laid back vibe. An angry vibe. We need to change the vibes in this place because it's just got this bad feeling. Okay, so the vibe, the emotional state, the emotional atmosphere of a place, it's what's communicated and felt by people. You pick up bad vibes. This guy gives me bad vibes. Okay, to transmit a vibe, to transmit a feeling, to transmit a distinctive quality. It's a quality that you're capable of sensing. The place gave off a weird vibe. Okay, so the vibe, the vibes, the vibrations, good vibrations. Good feelings. It's talking about the feeling of a place. So let's see. Vibes. This is an informal word. I think I'd give this a 3.5 informality. maybe 4. Just use it informally. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, maybe just, but it's quite informal. Okay, the vibe of something, the feeling, yeah, the way, the aura, the air, the atmosphere, the ambience that a place emanates or that a person gives out. And then as to origin, well, this comes from vibration. To vibrate, which comes from Latin vibratio, shaking or brandishing. Yeah, vibro, to shake, to vibrate. So enough. If you enjoyed the video and it's got good vibes, give it a rating. I get good vibes from the people who watch my videos. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vibe, vibes, vibration.